Hey guys, here's just a quick little update on the little family. So Stacy, I know you're watching the update, so as it gets closer, I'll kind of start, giving you an idea, but you guys do need to maybe start getting a crate and all that stuff, a big wire one, and I don't know if you guys have a bed or anything, start maybe trying to scout that kind of thing out. Oh, they are a greedy little family, though. Oh, they are so greedy. Goodness. Alright guys, more updates soon.